Orlando Pirates are through to the CAF Champions League semi-finals, but their journey has been full of drama. On Wednesday night, Pirates drew 0-0 with MC Alkmaar in the second leg of the quarter-final. That result was enough to send them through, thanks to a 1-0 win in the first leg, where Mohaou Nkotha scored the only goal. But instead of celebrating, things got heated after the match. There were fights and tension between players and staff, and in the middle of all the drama, Mbogazi stood tall. He didn't back down. When things got out of hand, he protected his teammates and showed real bravery. Fans loved it. Many say that was the moment he stopped being just a young player. He became a leader. Now, Pirates must turn their focus to an even bigger match, the semi-final against Egypt's Pyramid FC on Saturday at 6 p.m. at FNB Stadium. Former Pirates defender Ibrahim says Pirates must be smart in this next match.
This first leg is very important. You need to take full advantage when playing at home.
He said,
the second league in Egypt won't be easy. The atmosphere, the pitch, and even things outside the game can be tough.
He says Pirates must play attacking football, but not go all out and leave the defense in the open.
If Pyramids score an away goal, they'll sit back and defend hard in the second leg. So we need to attack, but with balance, be smart, don't rush.
His ideal result:
1-0 would be good, 2-0 would be even better, but we must not concede early. FC Pyramids might not be the most famous team in Africa, but they prove they are dangerous. They are in the semi-finals for a reason. They are a strong team,
Ibrahim said.
But Pirates have the quality to win, especially at home, with the fans behind them.
Now these are the big questions ahead of today's game. Will Pirates stay calm and focused after the drama in Algeria? Can Mbogazi and others step up again when the pressure hits? Will Pirates get a strong lead before going to Egypt? This match is more than just 90 minutes. It's a big step towards becoming champions of Africa. The Ghost will be watching, but will the team rise? Well, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to know more about Mbekezeli Mbogazi, make sure that you watch this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.